Hi, I'm Prof. Rammos from the Department of Cardiology and Vascular Medicine from the University of Duisburg-Essen. Sirolimus has demonstrated to be the alternative drug-eluting device to the existing paclitaxel-coated balloon platforms for the treatment of peripheral artery disease. The existing approved sirolimus-coated balloons have demonstrated a good short-term patency and did not exhibit any major adverse events for treatment of peripheral artery disease. There are several studies ongoing which aim to further investigate the efficacy of existing sirolimus-coated balloons and to establish a direct comparison of its outcomes compared to plain balloon angioplasty. Considering both substances, paclitaxel and sirolimus, we have to consider that both are anti-restenotic and anti-proliferative drugs, but they exert completely different properties, like a different safety margin, a different therapeutic range, and different impact on the inflammation. Well, endothelial dysfunction is the pathophysiological principle involved in the initiation and progression of atherosclerosis and is correlated to higher incidences of vascular events. We previously found out that paclitaxel has a dose-dependent matter on the endothelial function. The higher the dose, the lower the improvement. We now aim to determine the impact and mechanism of sirolimus or paclitaxel non-cytostatic or cytotoxic DCBs on endothelial function in symptomatic PAD. We found out that we have a higher improvement in endothelial function in the group treated with a sirolimus-coated balloon. And this improvement in endothelial function was corroborated by a reduced inflammation in the sirolimus group. Now, our RCT provides evidence for an improved local endothelial function after interventional treatment of peripheral artery disease, along with a reduction in inflammation in this randomized clinical trial. But we have to realize that CLTI patient means we have the sickest patients with the need for the most advanced therapies. And current paclitaxel-coated balloons are mainly crystalline formulations with the issue of distal embolizations. Now, the solution SLR has a small and homogeneous particulates, resulting in the absence of the slow flow phenomenon. So we do not have the distal embolization issue. And furthermore, we have a controlled and sustained drug release mechanism that we need for these patients.